Alright guys, so you've seen a bunch of different kinds of cases on my channel. We've seen slim cases, we've seen thick cases, we've seen all types of different kinds of level of protection, leather, vegan leather, all the entire spectrum. But today we're looking at something completely different. So this is the Suti PhoneBack, and a huge shout out to Suti for sending this out to me to review for you guys. So let's take a look. Now this, like I said, is a PhoneBack. So this is just going to be a thin piece of silicone material that goes on the back of your phone, almost like a skin would, and it offers you a little bit of protection for the back. But anyways, let's save that for a little bit later and take a look at the box. So on the front, it does say Suti, and on the back it says get your phone back, suti.co. And here it says Suti patent pending, a little bit more information, all that fun stuff. So what these are a silicone back for your iPhone. So let's go ahead and unbox this red one, which I've been using this red one for the last few days and I've really been enjoying it. But there's also this matte black one. So we'll set these over here to the side. And basically all you get is just the phone back, nothing else in the box. So we'll put this one over here. And same thing with the red one. Now the boxes are color matched, which is really cool. And I really like that the design of the packaging kind of shows the color right off the top. So anyways, these guys are what we are looking at. And as you can see, it's not a case, it's just a phone back. So anyways, let's talk a little bit about it. So this is made out of silicone. So that'll make it smudge resistant. That's gonna make it waterproof. And it's gonna make a very, very good grip for the back of your phone. And that'll really help you guys if you wanna be the one who goes caseless, you don't really like cases on your phone, things like that, you definitely need to check these out because it's going to give you that grip on the back of your phone without adding any bulk whatsoever. So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and look around them. Then we'll weigh them, see how thick they are, and we'll apply them to the phone. So basically this is all you get. You're going to get your entire camera ring enclosed. So it's individual cutouts for each of your lenses, your microphone and your camera, and your LiDAR sensor. And over here you do get a slight bit of Suti branding right there. It's a little hard to see on this red case. I'm hoping the camera picks that up, but it says it right there. And that's pretty much it. Now looking on the inside, we do have a MagSafe ring with an alignment magnet. The inside of it is this very nice smooth material, so you definitely don't have to worry about this scratching your phone or anything. And the MagSafe ring has this like little, almost not, it's like a little bit of a stickier feeling. It's not adhesive. You don't have to worry about this sticking to the back of the phone. It only sticks with magnets, but it's there to help it from sliding around or anything like that. And that really does a good job. And of course, here you do have your camera cutouts. So basically the same thing on the black one. It does come also in a few different other colors, which we'll talk about here shortly. But the black one, same exact design all the way around. The inside of the black one also has that kind of a little bit of like a stickier material, but it's not adhesive. Again, it's just there for a little bit of extra grip onto the back of your phone. But anyways, that's it. They're super thin. Like I said, they barely add any bulk. But let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper, and we'll see how much they weigh and how thin they really are. So we'll go ahead and weigh them. I think they're probably the same weight, but we'll check it out. So starting off with the black one. So we're looking at 41 grams. Now I know what you guys are thinking, that that's 41 grams is pretty heavy. It's like a weight of a case, but you really honestly barely feel this thing on the back of your phone. And just taking a look at the red one, also 41 grams. So the exact same weight, color does not matter in that regard. But like I said, you really don't feel the weight of them, and especially with that thickness. Let's go ahead and bring over our caliper here. So you're looking at 2.4 millimeters thick, and that's from front to back, and of course it's all the way same around. I'm not measuring the camera ring, just specifically right here, 2.4 millimeters. So you definitely don't have to worry about thickness on this one. And the weight of it really has not bothered me, at least. And I'm sure if any of you guys down in the comments have tried these below, let me know and let us know all in the comments to see how you feel about them and if they feel too heavy or if they feel a little thicker. For me, I didn't really mind it at all. But anyways, let's go ahead and bring over our Black Titanium 15 Pro Max. And I've actually, like I said, been using the red one, and I think this is a great color combination. So all you do is literally just magnetize it. And there you go. Now you want to up here align it just a little bit because it's only held on by the magnets with MagSafe. But once it's aligned there, this is what you're looking at. And I think this thing looks great. I mean, it adds no extra bulk. It just gives you that nice grip right here. So if you are holding your phone like this, it's not sliding out of your hands or anything like that. I almost just dropped my phone right there, though. I know you guys saw that one. But it barely adds any bulk whatsoever. This is what it's going to look like. So let's just look around the sides of it. So here's what it looks like on the top. The left-hand side of the phone, the bottom, and the right-hand side. So it blocks nothing, none of your buttons, none of your ports, nothing like that. It just gives you that little grip on the back of your phone. And if you set it down, it's not sliding anywhere. So that's really nice. So it's not going to slide off of your couch or off of your blanket if you're laying in the bed and you just kind of lay it, on its back like this. You'll be good to go. And this thing has been a lot of fun to use. Now, I know it's, it doesn't protect your phone basically at all. Just the back from some scratches. I'm not even going to say this is going to offer any drop protection. It's not. This is for those people who don't like using cases on your phone, who want to feel the sides of the phone. They want to feel only the weight basically of the phone itself, the thickness of the phone, no extra bulk. But you just want that a little bit of security on the back with that grip right there. This thing is perfect for you guys. I remember back when I used to use my phone without a case a while back, I would have loved something like this because it's almost like a skin for the back of your phone, but it's just, if you want to change the colors or you want to remove it for whatever reason, you just peel it right off and that's it. Super easy. There's no glue, no adhesive, just slaps right on and you're good to go. But also it does have MagSafe. So let's go ahead and bring over our Apple MagSafe wallet and we'll check it out. So you put it on here. There's your animation. Oh, let me turn my volume on. But you guys saw that animation. And it's not going anywhere because this silicone is so nice and rubbery that it's going to just stay right there no matter how hard I'm shaking it. You really do have to pull this off for it to come off. Now, moving along to the Apple MagSafe battery pack. There's our animation. And let's see. You've got those same good, let me not hold it by that. Here you go. You got those same good magnets, not slipping at all. So there you go. Oh, I just put my phone in SOS mode. Hang on. Let's not do that. We don't need the police showing up here in the middle of a video being recorded. But like I said, guys, this thing is good with MagSafe. You have, just listen to how that's going to sound when it comes on. Like I said, no issues whatsoever with MagSafe. And of course, we'll bring over our Anchor 623, and let's see how that goes. So it's kind of hard for me to do that without holding the grip as well. So I'm just going to grab it right here by the edges of the phone itself and make sure that I'm not holding the Suti at all. And if you guys can see that right there, it's holding on. So you've got really good MagSafe strength on here. I'm trying to see if, well, I guess it doesn't really matter how we do it. But yeah, you give it a little bit of a flick with your wrist and this is going to come off. But for what this is, the MagSafe strength is very good. Now, of course, you can set this down vertically, type a text message, scroll on Instagram or Twitter, which, by the way, follow me. Links are down in the description. Go ahead, type your emails, do some work, watch your videos vertically. Then you decide to go to YouTube, watch your favorite Brian's Tech video. You can sit here and reverse or fast forward the video, do whatever you want, click around, scroll. It doesn't matter. You're good to go. And of course, you can sit here and give it the little bit of a 360-degree rotation test. Now, this is silicone on silicone, so it's a little bit more difficult and it may come off, but nobody's doing that. If you're just going from portrait mode to landscape mode, and of course it'll work with your standby mode, all that, you'll have no issues whatsoever. So with all that being said, let's talk about it. So this thing is $39. Now that may be a little bit steep for just basically a silicone back, but if all you want is just this one time to spend the $39 on one of these phone backs that's just going to help you protect the back of the phone from accidental slipping or anything like that. Let's actually put the black one on here and see how that looks. That looks really good too, of course, especially with that black on black. I mean, it looks super clean. You can't even tell that there's anything on the back of your phone. Somebody just may think that, it looks like an iPhone still. You don't have the Apple logo right there, but this is like a very incognito style thing that you can just slap on, especially the black on black. They do have the different colors that you can also put on the other different color iPhones. I really think the black looks really good with the black iPhone, but this red just gives it that great pop on here. And I know you guys can see that color. Look at that. That is beautiful. I've loved the way that this looks. You guys know that my favorite colors are black and red, so this has been on my phone for the last couple days, but this black one looks super clean on there as well. Now, it is going to show a little bit more smudging on the black one right there, but it's barely noticeable. A little bit of a wipe down will have it come right off. As you can see, no smudges anymore, and you'll be good to go. So let's talk about the colors. Now it's gonna come in this poppy red. It's gonna come in matte black, warm gray, marine blue, and hunter green. And it's really not a bad deal, guys. $39, that extra little bit of protection, good MagSafe on here, nice grip, which is really important. I know if you guys use your phone caseless, this thing is a little bit slippery with the titanium, the frosted glass on the back. It gets a little slippery. This is a nice solution. I definitely recommend it. So let me know what you guys think about the Suti down in the comments below. I'm really interested. Have you guys ever thought about trying a PhoneBack or a skin on the back of your phone by itself with no case? Let me know down below what you think about all this. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you're looking for another very minimal style case, I'll leave that video right there.